It's your girl, Kimmy K504. Hey, y'all. It's your girl, Kimmy K504. Happy New Year's. I'm about to show y'all how I make my tuna fish. So we got the eggs boiling. We got 4 eggs. Right there, I got the vent on. Cause my smoke detectors are sensitive. Gotta have the vent on high. Cause damn smoke detectors be going off just cause I'm boiling eggs. Got the coals boiling, the hookah on fire. So I'm gonna put my stuff in here and we're gonna work with 2 cans of tuna. So we're gonna use these right here. Also, I'm gonna use 2 cans of tuna to do this. And then we're gonna do some mayonnaise, some seasonal, and some parsley. I don't like tuna fish with pickles and all that up in there. I don't like all that. So I like to stick with the basic tuna fish. That's how I do it. Alright, so now I'm running water on them. About to peel them and put them in my container. And I'll be back. So now we're gonna go ahead on and just chop it down. Break it up. Break it up. Now me, when it comes down to me with my eggs, I like them kind of big, so you could just crush them down to your liking, because I love boiled eggs and tuna fish, so go to that. Alright, so I just put the tuna fish in. That's how the eggs look, bulky, big, like I like it. So now we're going to go ahead on and take some mayonnaise. I don't measure, so I'm just going to do like 3 teaspoonfuls. And then I'm going to mix it up. Mix it up like this. And maybe enough. I gotta hold the camera and mix it, so bear with me. So I'm just mixing it up. I'm gonna mix it up and I'll be right back. Alright, so that's how you do it. You just mix it up like that. Now we're gonna go ahead on and we're gonna go ahead and add the seasoning. And you're gonna mix that in. Oh, it looks so good. Now, I've been cutting back, so I don't eat bread, so I'd rather just eat tuna fish like this by itself. That's just how I would do it. So, that may be enough season. I'm going to have to taste it, but you just put enough in there to your liking. You don't want to put too much because you don't want to make it salty. I never used Creole season any other season when I did tuna fish, but this the way that I do it. So, and then I'm gonna take some of the parsley for color. Make, get a little green in there. You put as much as you want. A little green, make everything look, bam. So I'm just going to be the only one eating out there, so let me taste it. Yeah, it's good. Put a dab more. And it's made to perfection. So let me get in some light. Show y'all. So this is tuna fish, a little quick little late night snack. You know, a little quick little 1-2. So that's my tuna fish. So, yeah, my camera about to die. So, I hope y'all enjoy watching this video. And I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Bye.